at last, the engine is running now. As you can see. Anyway, so that's what the process. I'm going to change it color. I see I started changing my phone. Change that's one of those things. Anything new, over time, rubber. If you stay for years, the rubber will start to degrade. Even though it hasn't been used, you can see the condition. I'll get another one. That will be amazing if I show this to the now the gearbox, that bell housing is leaking oil. So eventually we have to. I tell you I put the gearbox. I put the engine. Okay, so what we are saying in India is that we are still removing the engine so that we can change that bell housing seal. It's leaking oil, the gear oil is gushing out from there, on that seal. As a result of changing the, remember, we use the same bell housing on the 4-speed manual gearbox on the 5-speed. So some reason is leaking. So let's see. So here's the old gearbox, the 4-speed one. Yeah. So this is where the seal is supposed to work with this. So this is 4-speed and the seals is leaking. So we remove it. If the problem is that it didn't match, then we may have to change the bell housing. But if the problem is just only the same, then we change the seal. This thing works with the clutch cable on the bell housing, so the thing is not good, so I have to replace it as well. So many things change. Let me see. Something I wanted to show you guys. The cylinder head had an issue, even though it's new. But it appears the previous the seller, it was something someone purchased, tested it, realized they had a problem, and then rejected it. Yeah, this the seller that sold us, she sold it to us as if everything was perfect. Until the mechanic now discovered the issue. But they fixed it anyway. So the valve guy had a problem. So they now had to change it. Actually showed me the valve guy. So these are some of the old, I can see the old machines, everything. They are here. You know, the old clutch kit, see it there. The function, see it down there. The cushion plate. I wish I could see that one. It's not here. Okay. So the gear selector That's the market. What did I say? They're moving the gearbox again. I can put, what's it called? I change that seal or the tire houses. Anyway, so I bought fuel. 20 liters of fuel. This 5 liters each. So as the engine is running, we can't switch off the engine. We don't need to switch off. We just pour the fuel inside. The work going on. Alright, so so I've just emptied the fuel, the 20 liters in the tank. Just finished doing that. So the mechanic, they also put 5 liters even before I got here because they noticed the fuel level was too low. Because they want to start the engine, I leave it alone from this engine was started around 10 a.m. So they want to leave it till up to 6 p.m. before they switch it off. So that's why they had to add 5,000 Naira for which was 5 liters. So I've added 20 more liters. So let's look at the fuel level. Okay, that makes sense. So it has come up. If I even go beyond that, I can notice by the time you start driving the car, it will go up like more. Since the engine was running I was running when I put the car. So so probably if you still go beyond half time, they get to half time and stay there. So basically I'm by 25 liters or so. So the mechanic is working on so how to change the brake line. So one of the handbrake cable was bad. So they are changing the handbrake cable. So this is the new brake line they are fixing. Because I spoke with them, I said they should fix the handbrake issue because the handbrake wasn't working when I got the car. So this is the cable they are going to put. You can see the handbrake cable. So I want to insert the carburetor, the one that came with the car, for some reason didn't start the engine. Anyway, but eventually they will start. Maybe it got blocked. Because I drove it with the car, one perfectly no smoke, all was blocked. I think it's this side of cable that I'm trying to cover. Get back to it. Let's check the tire size. So 175 and 14. Alright. So I know a lot of things were replaced, which wasn't part of things I was supposed to change. So that I have to know those things. He has shown me some of the things he replaced so far that when I was not around. But he called me on the phone. I told him to go ahead and do those replacements. So it doesn't belong to one. So eventually it will be taken care of. I'll look at the list and temperature gauge, I don't even know if it works. It's still at blue zone. That's why I wonder whether this temperature gauge actually works. Anyway, we've ordered the temperature gauge. It's coming. So hopefully we'll use that one. Okay, it's not even connected. Not yet. I can see the not connected yet. Here's the wire. So we'll be putting this thing, even though it wasn't there before, but it's actually a good thing. That's water reservoir. Expansion tank. Okay, all the way I used to it. Okay. So this is the angle. Here, check it out, Papa.
Yes, everything.
So this is the mountain bracket. There's a rubber round come and bracket. It's very good. The two of my Bible fans, they have this thing. The two. Alright. They have to change the start plug
Why? How long was that place?
because the other one is still in the shop. Yeah, it's going to take care. Nobody is much longer distributed. So that has to keep so those ones are the old ones. Okay. So maybe I'll do. Alright. Also, the old record will not come with this consultancy. So, how to get it out of the document about the so this can be used anytime anybody wants to do electric car conversion. You can see the old one. This is the lock.
Go come back.
Lock is this thing.
No, I'm sorry.
Alright. So later we'll figure out why this carburetor is not on. I don't think it's a big deal. Come on, I don't use car with this carburetor. The one perfectly there is later the mounting and this is working. However, eventually, if the double barrel carburetor that I order arrive on time before it takes the time, then we swap in the double barrel carburetor and see how it works. Alright.